What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I decided to do a very simple maroon eyeshadow. It's super easy, so I hope you guys definitely love it. If so, just keep on watching. So I already did my eyebrows and one eye just to speed things up a bit. So for the eyebrows, I don't think I mentioned or showed you guys in my last video what I was using. So I used the Anastasia concealer and eyebrow pomade. So the eyebrow pomade looks like this, and I used the color dark brown, and the concealer I was using was this one and the shade, or in the number 3.5. And then to blend out my eyebrows, I used this Real Techniques dome brush. It comes like in a 4-piece set. So for today's look, I decided to use something that was affordable and that honestly is just as great as a higher end palette. It looks like this. Mine's broke, but the colors are honestly to die for. So to conceal my eyes, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape and just grab a little bit. And to blend out the concealer, I'm just going to be using this small beauty blender just to blend everything out. And then to set the lid, I'm using some Airspun. So this is the first brush I'm going to be starting off with. It's the Sigma E40. And we're going to go with these two colors right here. So now that I'm done with my transition color, I'm going to be going straight with the purple color right here. And then for my brush, I'm going to be using the Morphe M441 brush. I'm going to want to add more eyeshadow into the lid. So for that, I'm just going to be using a small brush. You can grab any brush that you have. Now that you're done packing the color on the lid, you're going to grab your Morphe brush and then just blend everything out. Once you're done with that, you're going to go back with your first brush that you did your transition with. Take this brush and blend out all over the crease. Just that way the transition color that you started off with mixes and it pretty much like blends together, and you'll have that super soft eyeshadow look. So you're gonna end up looking like this. After this, you just put mascara on. The mascara I'll be using today is gonna be the Black Magic mascara from EYEKO London, and it looks like this. I'm just gonna be using that all over my lash. And for the lashes today, these ones I have on right now are my everyday lashes, and they're from the same brand from my previous video. So this is how the eyelashes look, and they're in this style M368. So now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to be prepping my skin. I'm going to be starting off with the PIXI Glow Mist, and it looks like this. This is amazing if you have a dry skin. If you have dry skin, this will like moisturize your skin to the max. Once that's in our skin, I'm going to be going with my rose water. I'm pretty sure you guys know this by now. And just apply that all over my skin on top. Once I'm letting that sit in, I'm going to be putting some rose oil in my lips so they can moisturize and get less chappy. So once that's set into our skin, for foundation today, I'm going to be using the L.A Gilr Pro Coverage Foundation. So now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face. And I'm going to be using medium and light medium. I'm going to be starting off with medium first. And then I'm going to be applying light medium. And then blending it with my beauty blender. I'm done concealing. I'm going to be using the Mercier powder just to set all my face. So I'm going to be adding the same transition colors and that same purple color on my bottom lower lash line. I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild brush. It's like a small detailer brush. So for the inner corner highlight, I use the MAC Oh Darling just for my inner corners. Now for my face, I'm going to be bronzing my face with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer with the Morphe M527 brush. So meanwhile, I'm letting this set into my skin. I'm going to be using the Milani blush and Luminoso. And I'm going to be using the Real Techniques blush brush. So now that I'm done with my blush, I'm going to go with this BEIGE Cosmetics stipple brush, and it's in the number 109. So this is how it looks. It's the Maybelline Chrome Highlighter, and it's in the color Molted Gold. I'm going to be using this Morphe brush right here. It's in the number M504. So now that I'm done highlighting, I'm going to be going with my rose water and setting everything into place. So now that I'm done with setting my face, I'm going to go straight to the lips. I'm going to be starting off with the brown lip liner. And on top of this lip liner, I'm going to be using the Hard Candy Velvet Mousse lip color. And this is in the color Daffodil. And then once we're done with all of our face, I'm going to be going ahead and apply some Fix Plus. So guys, this is how the look ended up looking like. I hope you guys definitely loved it. You guys should definitely recreate this look. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification button down below. And thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time.